In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a table in Notion. Whether your table is part of a page or it lives as its own page. I'll walk you through the cleanest ways to remove it plus a few quick tips to avoid accidental loss. First, a quick note on what you are deleting. In Notion, a table can be an inline block inside a page, or it can be a full page database that appears in your sidebar like any other page. Deleting an inline table removes just that block from the page. Deleting a full page database removes the entire page that holds the table. Knowing which one you have will help you pick the right method and stay organized. If your table is inside a page as a block, hover your mouse to the left edge of the table until you see the 6-dot handle appear. This is the drag handle that also opens block options. Click that 6-dot icon to open the menu. Then choose Delete. Notion will remove the entire table block at once. Before you click, double-check that the blue outline or selection highlights the table you intend to remove, especially if your page has multiple blocks stacked closely together. If your table is a full-page database, head to the sidebar where your pages are listed. Find the page that contains the table, hover over it, and click the 3-dot icon that appears. From that menu, select Delete. Because this is a page-level action, you are deleting the whole page that houses the database, not just a view inside it. It's a good idea to confirm the page name and location in your workspace, so you don't remove the wrong item. Particularly if you have similarly named databases. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to remove an inline table block quickly. Click once to select the table block so it's highlighted. Then press backspace or delete on your keyboard. On some keyboards, you may need to use the dedicated delete key. This is the fastest option when you are cleaning up a page and already have the correct block selected. A few safety tips as you work. If you delete something by mistake, you can usually undo right away with Command-Phase on Mac or Control-Phase on Windows. And before cleaning up older tables, consider duplicating a page or exporting important data if you are unsure whether you'll need it later. That's it, 3 simple ways to remove tables in Notion without the guesswork. Thanks for watching.